I've seen cities from above, watch the ocean waking up, but there's nothing in the world more beautiful than you, my girl. When your smile left you out, if the mirror makes you doubt, you can always turn around. I'll be there to tell you why you're my girl, my beautiful girl. A million sunsets try to, but nothing compares to you. And all
Para po kay Ginang Erlinda N. or Nisay Inieto mula sa lungsod ng Balanga, probinsya ng Bataan. Isang mainit na pagbati sa iyong ika-100 kaarawan. Tunay ngang kahanga-hanga para sa kahit sino ang pagdiriwang ng kanyang sentenaryo dahil ito ay sumasailalim sa isang buhay na puno ng tagumpay, maliit man o malaki, mula sa mga pagsubok at kabigo ang kalakip nito. Ito ang tunay na halaga ng buhay.
but I'm thankful I got my wish. Something so beautiful, you my girl. When you smile, won't come out. If the mirror leaves a doubt, you can always turn around. I'm always
Happy birthday
there
na
at your side, you're
mahabang
my
buhay.
girl.
Habang buhay, more life, comfortable and happy life.
A million sunsets try to, but nothing compares to you. And all the mountains could fall.
Happy birthday na! Sana umabot ka pa ng 300 years
Stop me.
Ma, mabiyayang buhay para sa iyo. Nawa, pagkalooban ka pa ni Lord ng maraming biyayang buhay. At enjoy mo lang ang buhay araw-araw, Ima. Kain ka lang ng marami, tawa ng marami, at huwag mong kakalimutan, tumaya ka sa wedding.
Hello everyone,
I see
thank you for being here. Today we're gathered to celebrate
Beautiful
something
girl.
truly incredible, Inang's 100th
Beautiful
birthday.
girl.
A full century of life and unforgettable memories.
leave me
Inang, your
lost
strength,
before you
wisdom, and
leave.
humor have touched us all.
Lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love could part the sea. I'm thankful that you want me, dear. Do you think about how these paths all lead us to somewhere? Do you think about traveling and growing old? A couple of kids when I was holding your hair back. Now we got our own future, our own stretch of road. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. Making up takes little time because you laugh when you get mad. And when I wrap my arms around you, suddenly we just forget. Do you think about where we're living, kids in the front yard? Do you think about traveling and growing old? Put a couple of fences up so dogs don't escape when mailman delivers us a pot of gold. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river.
Inang, happy birthday. Sa ngalan po ng pamilya namin, nandito si Kapitan Jill, ang aking anak si Sam. Wala man ho yung aking may bahay si Ann. Nabati ho namin kayo ng maligayang kaarawan. At sana ho, matagal pa yung ating pagsamahan. At lagi ko kayong dadalawin basta may time.
Lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way your love is shaking me. I'm thankful that you want me here.
Kundi kami ay magpapasalamat.
The way you
Magpapasalamat
dress
sa
up,
lahat